Karon sugdan ni Sez ang iyang interview kang Kapuso star Gil Cuerva. Sez,
si Kapuso Actor Gil Cuerva na usab ang atong makauban dinhi sa Bistalk ug ato siyang pumustahon karon na mga Kapuso. Good morning, Gil. Welcome to GMA Regional TV Live.
Good morning, Cecil. Good morning, everyone. Kumusta kayo? I hope you're all doing well despite the ongoing pandemic. Sana you're all at home and safe kayo and sanitized. Diba? So I hope you're all doing well.
Ay, mabuti naman kami at masaya kami kasi kasama ka namin this morning. Kumusta ka na? How have you been coping up with the quarantine?
So far, okay naman. I mean, getting by, no? Getting used to the new normal. Siyempre, eventually, gusto ko bumalik yung old normal. But what can we do right now? As humans, we have to adapt. Nakakaya naman.
Ayan, nakakaya nga naman talaga. At least kasama mo yung buong pamilya mo sa bahay. Gusto naming malaman, Gil, what has been your quarantine routine at home?
I'm thinking about taking online courses, though wala pa akong natitake. No? But given the amount of time that I have, might as well, di ba, work out din the brain. Di ba? Hindi lang puro muscles, pati yung brain dapat. But aside from those things, not much. Just trying to get through each day.
You talked about looking for online courses that you'd like to take up. Ano yung mga naka-shortlist na mga topics or courses na gusto mong kunin?
I want to make studying fun for me. So why don't I study things that were actually fun for me to learn? So philosophy was one of them. Weirdly enough, math. I also like math. Alam ko, a lot of people don't like math, numbers, sobrang nerdy ng math. Pero I'm good math by the way. Pero I enjoy lang pag may nasusolve akong problem. Ayun, sarap lang ng feeling. No?
Well, that's good. Philosophy and math. Iba din It's not the usual online courses. Gil, kasi breakfast time ngayon ng mga kapuso natin. Let's talk about food this time. Ano yung mga laging niluluto nyo dyan sa bahay o niluluto mo, hinahanda mo dyan sa bahay ngayon?
Ako, personally, di kasi ako nagluluto eh. Si mommy kasi yung master chef dito sa bahay namin. But mom usually cooks yung breakfast and... yung lunch and dinner namin. Breakfast kami na bahala. So, it depends kung ano yung nasa menu ni mom, kung ano yung kakainin namin for lunch and dinner. Pero for breakfast, I'll have maybe tapa and eggs. Minsan nag-waffles kami, minsan na corned beef, rice. So, typical Pinoy breakfast food siguro.
Ay, nakakagutom. Maki-breakfast nga after ng show. Diba? Ito, Gil.
Breakfast talaga yung favorite meal ko.
Tama, oo.
Sarap kasi.
Oo nga. And comfort food, yung breakfast food.
Comfort food.
And talking about comfort food and breakfast food, ano ba yung mga top 5 ingredients or grocery items or snacks na laging nasa grocery list mo talaga?
First, definitely is bread, no? Kasi kami dito, we eat bread, we love bread, we eat a lot of bread. Eggs, because you use eggs in almost everything. Aside from bread and eggs, siguro meat, cow, beef, I don't know. Whether it's tapa or whether it's steak, basta meat.
Gil, with the new normal now, may hinahandang mga bagong segments ang Taste Buddies. Please tell us more about this.
As a means of sharing our, lifestyle habits in relation to Taste Buddies, which is also a lifestyle show, diba? So, since right now we cannot tape, given the current situation, we can still find ways to be everybody's taste buddy. Even if it's a small thing like sharing what we do at home or sharing like a recipe for a certain dish that we want to try, or whether it's sharing tips on how to groom your dog, yung mga ganun.
We'll look forward to those new segments, new concept of Taste Buddies under the quarantine. And before we end the interview, Gil, ano yung mensahe mo sa lahat ng mga kapuso natin na nanonood ngayon?
Lahat tayo natatakot, no? It's scary na, like, na magka-virus tayo, or it's scary to get sick right now, and especially ngayon, hindi tayo certain. Pero, eventually, malalampasan din natin ito. Eventually, we'll get through this, and all we need to do is just stay strong and do our jobs as citizens of this country, and to do our best to help other people. And kami naman, bilang artista, we promise to use our platforms in order to be the voice for people who don't have that platform or opportunity or that privilege to have that kind of a voice. So, ayun lang. We're here for you in the same way that you have been here for us.
And thank you so much for being here sa GMA Regional TV Live, Gil. Maayong buntag.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you and see you soon. Mga kapuso, that was Gil Cuerva nga mipaambit ka nato sa bag-ong format, bag-ong segment sa Taste Buddies nga ang gayud ninyong atangan, ilabi na karon nga anaa kita naka-stay at home. O bubalik pa ang GMA Regional TV Live.